Ginny, and today I'm going to show you how to properly iron a shirt. So let's get started. And today I'm going to be using an ironing board, but you can use the same principles just alongside of a countertop or a tabletop. Okay. So just set your iron to the medium, depending on what material it is. Normally it's just cotton, is between levels just in the middle, 4 to 6, something like that. So you want to do one side at a time. So if it's a button-down shirt, unbutton it, open it up, drape it alongside the table. Make sure you smooth out the wrinkles. You don't want to make more wrinkles. Just go ahead and make a once over. If there's any tough spots where there's a serious crease in it, you might want to just spray a little bit of water on it and then go over it again a few times, and that should take out the serious wrinkles. Sometimes on the other side you're going to see just like an extra flap. Just flip it over and make sure that there's no creases on there either. Just do once over like that, should be nice. Then you flip it over to the other side. You do the same thing. Now make sure if you are going to use the water and spray anything or use steam, that the material is okay with that. Like if you're ironing silk or something, you probably don't want to put water on it. Just go through and you see the little buttons go in between the buttons. Now if you do have an ironing board, this is what it's for. These edges, this is what it's for. Let's move this. Right, so that you can drape the arm over top and it makes a nice smooth edge. Now for the collar, that's probably the toughest spot. You want to flip it all the way out. You want to open it up so that's nice and flat and lay it against the surface. And make sure whenever you're doing this to do sort of quick, steady movements. You never want to just leave it on there. I think we've all seen the cartoons with the big iron burn hole. So, and because it is a thicker area, you might want to just flip it over and do the exact same thing on the other side. Just drape the whole back nice and open, just like that. You just want to make sure that the shirt is as flat as possible on the surface, and that's when you're going to get the best turnout. You might get these little pleats. Just go underneath the pleat. Now the sleeves, since you can't open it up, just keep it just like this, lay it flat. Make sure that the bottom is flat as well, and you want to take it from the seam, right? From this top part of the shoulder here to the bottom here, and that way you're not going to get like a wonky iron seam. You don't want it to be slanted. You want it to be nice and flat, square, as much as possible. There you go. There you go. Now you have a nicely ironed shirt. Hope it works.